Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, you people have done your homework. You people find out the parameter of the given figures. All of you. That's good. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.3 question 1 and 2. This is also your homework. You people just look it. Do question 1 plus 2 of exercise 6.3, book page 133 on rough copy. Question 1 plus 2 of exercise 6.3, book page 133 on rough copy. You people just open your book. This is your homework exercise 6.3, book page 133. Okay, first one question. You people just look at. Fill in the blanks. We discussed all these points in the previous lectures. So today we solve these blanks. You people copy these blanks in your notebook. Okay. First one, look it. In a square, length and breadth are dash. In a square, length and breadth are equal. Because in the definition of a square, we learned that in square all sides are equal. In square all sides are equal, so length and breadth are equal. Number 2, in a rectangle the opposite sides are dash. The opposite sides are dash. So in a rectangle we learn, if you people look at to this rectangle, its opposite sides are equal in measurement. Equal in measurement, but in square all sides are equal. Its length and breadth are equal. Number 3, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply L. L mean length of one side. L mean length of one side. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, this is the formula of square, rectangle and triangle, 2 into, this means multiply, length plus breadth. You people first add length and breadth and then find the perimeter. So here perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiply dash plus dash. This dash mean length and this dash mean breadth. Clear? And the 5th one, perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of length of all sides. Or you people can simply write perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of length of all sides or sum of all sides. Clear? All sides. Clear? This is the first question. You people just copy all these 5 objectives. These are objective and important objective. Okay, you people copies these objectives in your rough notebook. Okay, and where the blank you people use color pencil and then write the correct answer. Clear? Move toward question number 2. Its question number 2 is find the perimeter of the following figures. You people look at here. 4 questions are given, 4 figures are given. This one is square, this one is rectangle, again rectangle and triangle. You people draw these shapes in your rough notebook and then you people find out the perimeter. How can you people solve this question in your rough notebook? Just look at to this notebook. Okay, look at. Find the perimeter of the following figure. Okay, first one figure is square. Its measurement is given 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter and again 7 centimeter. You people first write the formula just like this. Give the heading of formula. Then perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply L. L mean length of one side. So length of one side, we just write select 4 because square has 4 sides. All sides are equal in length. Just we write 4. If you people 8 7 4 times, also correct. But when you people solve this question through formula, you people must write formula first. Clear? So formula is 4 multiply L. You people write 4 again. Multiply length. Length is 7. All sides length are equal. So we select just 1 7. We already write 4 sides here. So okay, 4 for all its 4 sides. So you people read out table of 4 up to 7. For 7s are 28. So the answer is 28. You people follow this method when you people solve the question. Okay, for second part, look it. The second part is given is rectangle. Look it. 10 centimeter, opposite side is 10 centimeter. 6 centimeter, opposite side is 6 centimeter. You people first write formula. Okay. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, the formula is 2 into, this is a small brackets which mean multiply, 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, we close this length and breadth in small brackets. Okay, if you people just put here multiply sign, it's also correct for you people. Okay, just like this. Then you people put the values 10 2 times, but already we select 2 here. Okay, for 2 sides we just write 2 here because 2 length and breadth, length opposite sides are equal. This length and this length are equal, and this breadth and breadth are equal. Our length and length are equal in measurement, breadth and breadth are equal in measurement. Its length are equal to its second side length, and its breadth are equal to the second side breadth. So we select 2 into length plus breadth. Clear? You people put the values just like this. Then you people add first. You people solve the values given in the bracket, which are 10 plus 6. You people add these two numbers. You people get answer 16. Okay. Then you people remove the bracket. In the next step, you people remove the bracket. You people just write 2 multiply 16, and then 2 16s are 32. You people get the answer. Clear? So second question, you follow this method. When you people solve question, you people find out perimeter of a rectangle. You people use this one formula and follows these steps. Okay, and the fourth one step, if you people look at its third question, third part. Okay, look at here. Look at to its third part. Again, rectangle shape is given. You follow same step. Okay, as we follow here and solve this question. But part number 4, you people look at to the notebook. Okay, look at, this is the triangle shape. Fourth part of your homework. Okay, for second question, you people first draw this shape, triangle shape, write its values. Okay, then you people write the perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of length of all sides. Sum of length of all sides. So you people add these lengths, 9 plus 9 plus 9. Then first you people add these two. You people write, if you people just solve this question in one step, correct, but you people follow the steps. Okay, it's good for you people. In onward classes, you people solve question in steps wise, so you people follow the steps. So first you people add 9 in 9, you get answer 18. Then you people write this one 9. Okay, the remaining one. Clear? Then you people add 18 plus 9, you people get answer 27. Clear? So this is your homework. Total 4 parts are given in question number 2. In question number 1 objectives are given. Okay, look it here. Question number 1, objectives are given. You people copies these objectives in your rough notebook and write the answer. And part 2, question number 2, find the perimeter of the following figures. We solve these 3 questions, this one part, this rectangle, this square and triangle, and you follow same method for this shape. This is also